All right, so today we have this amazing portable power station. This one is at 300 watts. Not only that, it's a wireless charger for your phone. It has power on demand, USB, 2 AC outlets. I'll show you this right now. All right, so now let's take a look at this 300 watt power station. As you see, it has a beautiful design. It's not heavy at all. It really has a nice weight, not heavy for the 300 watts. One of the things we can see around the top, it's wireless charger. So put your phone here and automatically starts to charge your phone. Just over around this side. Okay, it's a real cool design. Huh? And I'll show you a few things here around the back. So now let's take a look this way. All right, and I'll show you what else we get with this. So we get the power supply to charging. So it requires a few hours. So a few hours you'll be able to charge the whole entire unit. Okay, also if you want to charge this with your car, the way you will do it, you will plug it right here and you can charge this with your car, right? If you go for picnic, you allow you to not to charge this and you get it again 110 volts. Now if you look at the top, we see this with the 4 lights right there. They say it's charging right now. Well, that's a flashlight, and this is a portable flashlight. Take this out and then it becomes a super cool flashlight. So you press once here, it comes on. Press one more time, flash, slow flash, and again. But now you not only you get the one including the unit, you get an extra one. So it came with 2 flashlights. So now the unit here, fine, maybe you just remove from there, and now you have these 2 cool flashlights. So you can use it, extra. Or if you want to swap it and charge this unit, you can just put in it here right now. Go to 50 run, you charge it right there. But charging wise too, it's USB Type-C. So really I can charge this from the computer or charge it here or can charge it anywhere. But that was pretty cool. It comes with 2 flashlights. So I'm sure we can use this, everywhere, or keep one in your car. Never know, right? Keep one of these cool flashlights right in your car. Okay, now let's check out the front. So we have 2 AC outputs, okay? Maximum 300 watts, 110 volts. Power coming in. Now, this one is 12 volts, so in case you have a drop light or something that you use for your car, you can plug it over here. We have 2 12 volt 10 amp. Okay, so any device that requires 12 volts and you have this type of connection, you can use that there. DC on. So when you press here, what happens is I'm going to turn on only this side only. Okay, here we have 99 hours, 100%, and 0 watt. And then this USB. My recommendation is if you want to only use 12 volt, only turn on 12 volt. If you want to only use DC, only turn on DC. You want to also, turn turn AC. Why? Because every time you turn something on, it's going to actually waste some electricity to just power itself out. If you turn AC, well, you have to turn on, and even better, it will start working. You convert from, and they say 12 volts to AC, well, that needs to work all the time. So eventually it's going to waste energy. So just turn on whatever you need. Now we need USB. Now in this case, USB is still going to ask. We have USB quick charge 3.0, 2 normal USB, 2 and 2.4 amp, and power on demand 60 watt in and out. So that means in and out, I can actually come in and charge this through the power on demand, or I can power it up iPhone, and they said a Mac Pro, and they use USB-C. Any device that use USB-C, I can charge here. Flashlight, I can charge anything that I want using this. Right, I turned it off. It gives a real nice cool display. And then here I'm going to turn now the AC. So now the AC is on, and AC 60 hertz right there. So I have power there. Maybe I don't need this, so I'm going to turn this off because I'm going to be using this device. Display wise, the displays allow you to press it here. When this thing is off, you press it for a few seconds and show you how much battery you have. Okay, so what happened if I turn it off here? Eventually take some time, that will disappear, so you can grab this and press it right there and be able to see battery wise. As you see now, I'm going to press it right now, and I see without turning it on, it's 100%. Now how do I know this works? Okay, so I wanted to show you something here. So I just run the AC unit, so I'm going to plug right over here, and we can see that we have 110 volts right there. If I turn this off, this automatically is off. How about 5 volts? Okay, so I'm going to test right there. My 5 volt is off. I'm going to turn this on right now, and I got my 5.16 volt. That's perfect to charge your phone. You can charge this like 30 times charge your iPhone, let's say 13 Pro Max. Not only you get the AC now, it's great for camping, going anything in outdoor, or just have it at home just in case you got a power outage. You can power it up. Anything requires AC. Things I will not power up with this is just a little tip. I will not power up a toaster. I will not power up a microwave. I will not power up an iron. I will power up a fan. Maybe I will power up a small TV. Any other device or any other type, light. If you're going to power a light, I always recommend to use LED lighting because it gives you a brighter light and they use less power. And one of the things I like it is comes with a cool flashlight. And again, we did test it. It was a lot of this unit, and some of the unit comes with a cool flashlight, but I allow you not to remove it. It's just part of the unit. And this one is cool because you can use the flashlight for something else. Okay, power up something, and then meanwhile, imagine the power got cut off at home. I can power up something else and take this and light up whatever I need to go. So give you the benefits on that too. It only takes a few hours to charge. And just a little tip on UPSs, on these type of devices, I do recommend, always follow the manufacturer instructions, but I do recommend and charge you every 2 months. Even if you're not using it at all for 3 months, charge you every 2 months, and that way we'll keep the battery for a long time. And that will be, if the battery here is warranty for 3 years, it's going to last 3 years out longer. You charge it every 3 months. Anyway, in the instruction we'll go over that. So I always recommend to go over the manual on this and follow manufacturer instructions. All right, so definitely we have here a great unit, right? To use it for outdoor, indoor, or whatever it requires some power. And I'll see you next time.